Hey bro, do you need a legit website wey go pay you that urgent 2k wey dey always beg that odogu to give you? Maybe you are a student or a stay-at-home parent and you need to earn some token online. This website is actually dedicated to people like you. In fact, it requires no special experience, and that is what actually makes it different from other gig websites that I've had an encounter with. Okay, have you seen this website before? Get Urgent 2k. The moment I saw it, I felt I should bring it to your notice. It is something somebody you know would definitely need. So it might not be you, but somebody you know might be in need of it. Okay, that is why I actually brought it. So if you feel you don't have any experience to do any kind of job online and you're just getting started, it is not actually a big deal. It doesn't really require big skills, to get started with, because you have a number of gigs that you can actually take up. I mean, when I say gig, online jobs, as a beginner, so far you can read and understand. So let's quickly get down to business. Now this is this website. It is called Get Urgent 2k. In case you are just seeing it for the first time, you can Google search it and see a lot of remarks about the website. It's actually a ladies website that it has been in existence since 2024. Okay, the very first thing we have to do is that you have to go on Google and search Get Urgent 2k. So that is the name of the website. The website here. Okay, you can see some other links, some other website that actually made reference to it. But then this is where you are going to. So we click on this thing. So the moment you land on the page, so these are things you see. You see 3 tabs. Each is actually dedicated to a specific audience. So the first one for people who actually wanted to earn online, be it students or stay-at-home mom or somebody who is just getting started with online economy. And it is actually dedicated to Nigerians who are looking for freelancing jobs. The second one is for brands. So this application is actually designed like Upwork, because Upwork has 2 segments of users. So the first one for talent and the other one for clients. Okay, the talents are those who actually come on board to take up gigs, and the clients are the ones that enlist jobs basically. So that is actually what this segment of brand is meant to fulfill. Then we have the third one, which is actually para. We are this kind of person that loves reviewing, giving reviews about a certain product or content or something. There are people that are actually in need of that service as well. So I'm going to show you what you can actually do on this website as we move on, so that you can know that it actually accommodates both starters and professionals in one way or the other. So you can literally take up survey, task, research, data collections, product reviews, and some other things on this website. And these are things that you can literally do on the website. So ranging from this, so they've actually tried to codify the services that talents can actually take up on the website. So add to this, they actually have some testimonials as well to show these are what people are actually saying about them. So I don't really want these videos to get too long. So the next thing we need to do now is to get started. So how do you get started on this website? So you have to go to the start earning and apply properly by putting in your details. So the moment you do that, so that you are ready to get started on the website. So after this, you can explore the available gigs and pick the one that actually appeals to you. So the least you can earn on the website is actually 200 naira on tasks like survey. So as simple as that, take one survey, then you get a certain amount of money, and you keep taking it, then it will be accumulating. So that is what this website is actually meant to do for you. If you are actually willing to take up the job, you will definitely get that urgent 2k, responsibly and honorably. Unlike when somebody tells you, oh bro, I will get that 2k today. I'm quite sure you don't want to turn around your story this time. Can you get to work?